Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria and I'm so happy that you guys are here with me today. And for my first time viewers who are joining me for the very first time, welcome guys. Welcome. Guys, I'm so honored that you guys are here with me today. And today I am making another meal. My aloe vera here in my hand. I will be making an aloe vera hair oil. You know, my mom used aloe vera in my hair a lot when I was a little girl growing up. Aloe vera is high in antioxidant, vitamin, is super healthy, has so much health benefit to it. And so it's not just for your hair alone, you can also eat aloe vera. So let me begin by showing you all my ingredients to make my aloe vera oil. So guys, here is my beautiful aloe vera. Aloe vera only grow in warm tropical. So you'll find aloe vera in Mexico, you'll find it in Cali, you'll find it in Jamaica, even in the Middle East because those are warm and very warm tropical. However, if you live in New York City like me and you want to plant your aloe vera, you can grow it indoor. Aloe vera can grow indoors. Aloe vera can do so many things. As some of you watched my smoothie Sunday last week where I make my aloe vera smoothie, and I promise you I will be doing a series on aloe vera because aloe vera is so much stuff to aloe vera, not just for your hair alone. There's so much stuff you can do with aloe vera, so I will be doing a series so we all can get our flat stomach together. Okay, so I will be using this to make my aloe vera oil today, and a combination of my organic extra virgin coconut oil. I purchased this at Stop and Shop supermarket. However, if you don't have Stop and Shop supermarket, you can purchase your coconut oil anywhere. And if you don't want to use coconut oil, you can use extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to add just a little bit of castor oil because I love using castor oil. Castor oil is also not just for your hair alone. You can drink castor oil as long as it's the homemade real castor oil. This is the real castor oil, a product of Jamaica. My auntie actually have the tree in her yard that she plant, and she make the castor oil herself. So this is the real original castor oil where you can take a teaspoonful and drink it, and it detox your entire body. I put a little bit on my eyebrow just to get my eyebrow thick and luscious because I love to have thick luscious eyebrow because nothing ages you like thin eyebrows. I mentioned that in a previous videos of mine, so I love to have thick beautiful eyebrow. Castor oil definitely does it, and all of this combination grow your hair very fast and thick and shiny and nothing like a youthful beautiful hair. So let me begin by making my aloe vera. As I said, I grew up with aloe vera in my yard. My mother had a big plant in her yard. Until this day, she would use them in my hair as a conditioner, but I will use mine as I use mine as leave-in in my hair. You can use yours as a leave-in, or you can just use it as a deep treatment. So for my oil, I'm just going to slice these because I'm just going to put them in my Singer blender and blend them up. So that's why I'm not going to cut them or anything.
With this feeling I can't leave. I'm walking and I'm leaving. Will you dare to give it all up and walk by my side? Do you
this is your beautiful aloe vera oil. Oh. Now, this oil, not just you use it in your hair only. For me, I use this in my hair. I also rub a little on my face at night when I'm ready to go to sleep. It's like a little beauty treatment. This is how you'd moisturize with your favorite anti-aging moisturizer when you go into your bed. This is the anti-aging for me. I use it on my face, so you can use this if you'd like to. And of course, I rub it on my eyebrow. Yes. So guys, this is where I normally taste something, but I cannot taste the oil. This is for our hair and our skin. This is just beautiful, and it's of the color of the aloe vera. I thought when I use, but it was not a lot. I did not use a lot of the castor oil in it. It was just a little bit I used. I just used 1 tablespoonful of the Jamaican castor oil. So the aloe vera color is still dominant in it. It smells of the aloe vera in it. So yes, it's so smell of aloe vera. Because the coconut oil is there, when the temperature drops, it will go sleep. So when you're ready to use yours, if it's sleeping, all you have to do is just boil some hot water and turn off your stove with your boiling hot water, and just place your oil in the container in your hot water, and it'll just like bring it right back to normal, that you can use it in your hair. And also, if you choose to use it on your skin, I use some of the oil on my skin when I'm going to my bed at night. I use it on my face, just moisturize my face, massages into my face at night. I do that. I'm not telling you that you have to do so. That's optional. Just as the castor oil is optional. You don't have to use castor oil if you don't want to. You can also use shea butter. I love shea butter. I use shea butter with it in my hair too. So that's just amazing. I grew up, as I mentioned to you, I grew up with aloe vera plant in my yard. My mom had the big aloe vera plant. Even until this day, she has aloe vera plant. And I love eating aloe vera because there is no taste to it. And I drink this smoothie every day because it helps to lose weight. And there is no secret that I gained a lot of weight during the pandemic, and I'm trying to lose the weight. So I'm doing an entire series on aloe vera these days. So if you have a request and something you'd like me to make with aloe vera, please don't be shy. Just leave your comment below. I'm more than happy to make it for you. And if you have something combination that I've not made and you want me to make it too, suggest it. I don't really know everything, so I'm more than happy to. So yes, please leave a comment. Let me know. So yes, aloe vera because aloe vera have like a million health benefit to it. So whether you're drinking it, you're using it for burn, it's good for you. Aloe vera, if you get burned and you use it for burn, it's heal your burn so fast. So there's so many stuff to do to aloe vera. If you're shaving, it's good for shaving. All this stuff, aloe vera is good for. A lot of stuff to prevent dandruff. So many. So as I said, so many things. Hair, your inside, I love it for inside. As I said, it helped to flatten the stomach, and my stomach need to be flat. I used to have a very flatter stomach. I used to be much more, tinier, and I gained a lot of weight during the pandemic, and I'm really conscious of the weight that I put on, and I'm trying to lose it. So I have an aloe vera smoothie every day. So I did make that one Sunday, and I saw that you guys comment. I hope you guys make it and enjoy your smoothie. But I will be making some more aloe vera smoothie again. And if you guys, I'm planning on making aloe vera face mask because I did an aloe vera face mask a couple of days ago. So if you guys want me to actually make an aloe vera face mask for you guys and upload it on the channel, then upload it up here, then I'll be more than happy to do so too, because there's so many different types of aloe vera face masks to do. As I said, there's no limit to aloe vera. Anyway, that's all that I have to say for now. And if you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed yet, please hit the red subscribe below and hit the notification bell, so when I upload new videos, you'll get a notification. And please give this video a thumbs up. and share this video with your friend and leave me a comment below. I love getting comments. That's our way of communicating with each other. And when you guys comment on my channel, it's not just only for me alone as well, but also for new visitors to come to my channel to see it as well. So guys, please don't be shy, leave your comment and please be kind. So far, all of you be kind, and I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys because I know that you guys have 1,000,001 choices and you chose me today. So thank you guys for choosing me, and remember to follow All Luxury 1 on Instagram, and like All Luxury on Facebook, and follow me, Trending with Victoria, on Instagram. You guys never come over on Twitter, but I always tweet about politics and on Twitter anyway, because politics is just affecting our life, huh? So that's what I tweet about, and you know, so cannot wait to see you guys on my next video. Mwah.